Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use AI snaps on Snapchat. So this is a new feature, so you have to just go to Play Store or App Store and make sure you update your Snapchat, then only you will able to find this feature, right? And one more thing, that this feature is only available in some selected countries, so don't worry if you don't find in your Snapchat even after you update it, right? So once it get updated in all the countries, definitely you will get it. So once you update your Snapchat, open it up, and here on the top right you will see a lot of option, right? So you have to just click on the plus icon, and here you will find AI snaps, right? So if you don't find this feature right now, don't worry. So once you update your Snapchat, and once it get updated in your country, definitely you will find it here, right? So this is how you can just use AI snaps. And if you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe.